Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data recovery app. To begin, select your desired recovery type, perhaps deleted file recovery or partition recovery, from the main menu. Make sure the app is installed on a separate drive to prevent overwriting your lost data, which is a common mistake. This initial setup is absolutely crucial for a successful and complete restoration process. After selecting your target drive, click the Scan button to start the search for lost files. A deep scan method offers the most comprehensive results, thoroughly examining every sector for fragments. For a drive of, say, 250 gigabytes, this could take approximately 20 to 30 minutes or even more. Please allow the process to complete fully without any interruption. The scan results are organized by file type, making it easy to navigate through potentially thousands of files. You can use the search bar or filter options to quickly find specific documents or photos. Always preview your files to confirm they are intact and the correct versions you wish to restore. This step helps ensure you recover exactly what you need. With your desired files selected, specify a new save location for them. Never save recovered data back to the original drive. This prevents further data corruption or overwriting. The recovery process will then transfer your selected files to the designated folder. Afterward, verify all your restored items are accessible and complete in their new home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.